welcome back to the channel. What's up, y'all? So in today's video, I am going to be showing you all some Amazon plus size holiday looks. Child, listen, I already know it's at the end of October, but it'll be here before you know it, so we need to start preparing our hearts and our minds, okay? So to all my cousins who are new to the channel, I am Shauna T, and over here on this channel, we talk all things plus size fashion, style, honey, and everything in between. So do me a couple, 2, 3 things. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, baby, and make sure that you comment in the comment section down below. Okay, cousins, I was like, it is time to prepare our hearts and our minds for the up and coming holiday season. Yes, I know it's the end of October, but it is time, okay? So I went on over to our cousins at Amazon and I picked up a couple of looks, so that way you're not running around at the last minute trying to find you something. And I think these looks can take you to a variety of up and coming holiday gatherings and parties. So the very first look, y'all, that we are going to get off into is this little baddie here that I'm actually wearing. So I'm going to pull up my notes, of course, on my Amazon so that I can make sure that I am giving y'all all of the tea. But for starters, I will let y'all know, baby, this right here got a ton of stretch in this dress. And the size that I actually ordered this dress in is a 3X. And in this dress, they go all the way up to a size 4X. Now, y'all, because this dress does have so much stretch in it, you probably could size down if you wanted to do that. I just wanted to let y'all know that. I'm also pulling up the colors that this dress come in as well. Now, of course, I chose red for the color, but it also comes in black, green, a navy blue, which is really pretty, and also a white, and then also more of a cobalt blue, if you want to call it that, or royal blue is what they actually have it named as. So dress comes in a number of colors. So even if you have you know, sometimes they do like winter white balls. This dress comes in a white, which I think that would be really, really cute if you're going to maybe a winter white ball or, you know, some type of color coordinated holiday party, baby, because y'all know how we do. We be trying to put a color on everything, okay? A color on everything. Now, y'all, I just kept it really simple and just did gold earrings, gold watch, which I picked up from Amazon, and also my gold rings that you all always see me wear as well with this look. Now my bracelets, they are a mix. No, these bracelets came from Amazon as well with the gold bracelets. It actually came in a set of 4. This particular bracelet set that I have on, it came in a set of 4, and it also comes in some other colors for those of you like, hey girl, I don't really like gold. They got silver or like a rose gold as well that they also have too. So that's just to let y'all know. Oh, and I'm gonna tell y'all the smallest size that this dress comes in, y'all, is a large. So it goes from a large all the way up to a 4XL, but it does have a ton. When I say a ton of stretch, it has a lot of stretch in this dress. And I also love the ruching detail because y'all already know, baby, I'm gonna step back just a little bit, baby. That ruching detail, it does things, okay? It hides all the imperfections. Now, of course, y'all know I got on shapewear, but the ruching detail is great for all of my cousins who may carry weight in their midsection. So we already know what the ruching detail does for us with that. Now, the shoes, you guys, these shoes, they actually came from Fashion to Figure. And Fashion to Figure, these shoes, they run a little bit big, y'all, with Fashion to Figure. I'm not gonna even lie, they run just a tad bit big, but not like big where they're gonna be like flopping off of your feet. But I love this gold shoe. I do have mine in a size 12, but the heel height on this shoe is very much so comfortable. I love the fact that this heel is comfortable. So I can pretty much bet your bottom dollar that I will be able to dance in this heel and do all the things in this particular heel, because I recently just got this shoe, but I had not actually worn it. So I decided to go in and pair it with actually all the outfits I'm going to show you in this video as well. Now, Fashion Figure with this shoe, y'all, this goes all the way up to a size 13W. So So a 13 wide with this particular shoe, and I love it. I love the detailing on the shoe, the little gold rhinestones that goes across the straps of the shoe. I think that is perfect. And I am an open toe shoe girl. I don't know about y'all, but let me know in the comments. Are you an open toe shoe girl? I love open toe shoes all year round, honey. So it don't even matter. Cold, summer, spring, give me an open toe shoe and I'm gonna rock it, okay? Quick intermission, cousin. Are you a current entrepreneur, inspiring entrepreneur, or creator? Well, guess what, cousin? I got something special for you. Hey, I got something special for you. So, cousin, I have created a whole new YouTube channel that is all about entrepreneurship, building your online business, also creating content, all things branding, and helping you succeed in your online brand. So if you guys don't know, I own my own e-commerce brand, and I'm going to be sharing all of my knowledge, tips, bad parts of entrepreneurship with you to make sure that you are successful in your brand. Okay, cousin? So you can scan the QR code that's here on the screen, or you can check down in the description box below. I'll have my new YouTube channel linked for that as well. Okay, cousin? So I hope to see you over there too. I'll talk to y'all later. Now, this next look, you all, is a pant set that I picked up. And I got a story behind this particular pant set. I like the pant set, okay? I like the pant set, but here is the thing. I had to send this pant set back 2 times. I first got a 3X, then I got the 4X, and I wound up getting the largest one that they have, which is the 5X, and this one here actually fits. Now, the reason why I like the pant set and what actually attracted me to it was a little, you know, fluffy ruffle detailing right there. I was like, oh, that's real cute. You know, a little fancy. Still a pant set, but fancy enough for you to be able to go to a holiday party in, or a little shindig in. So I was like, that is really cute for the holidays. But I do want to let y'all know, and be straight up honest with y'all, I am wearing a 5X. Y'all know I typically wear a 22, 24 in my clothes. The number does not bother me. I'm just letting y'all know, if you decide, if this is one that you decide to get, you probably will need to size up, such as I did. My main problem was my butt and my hips. Baby, it was tight around my hips and my butts, because y'all know I got a lot of it, right? So that my stomach area really wasn't an issue, but I had to make sure that I had enough. I was comfortable in my hips and my butts, y'all. So now with this, it actually starts at an XXL, and it goes all the way to a 5XL plus, and also it comes in black, it comes in blue, and it comes in white. So I love the fact that it comes in a couple of different colors for the up and coming holiday season, y'all. It does have a zipper at the back. It does have just a teeny bit of stretch off in this jumpsuit, not a whole lot. So that probably could have been the other reason why I had to size up as well, but I was completely fine with the sizing up for this particular jumpsuit. Now the reviews on Amazon, because that was one of the things that I did look at, the reviews give it a 4.1. So I would say y'all have to let me know if y'all order it or think about, you know, ordering or whatever. See if you want to go with your regular size first. It may fit on your body and your body frame totally different than how it fit on mine. I just like to be honest with y'all as far as one of these options when it comes to this jumpsuit, okay? Now the shoes, same exact shoes that I wore with this red dress right here, the gold shoes that are from Fashion to Figure, honey, because they are comfortable and I like them a lot. Now this last beauty, oh baby, this was my favorite one. It was good to me, okay? This black sequence one shoulder sexy, stretchy, and when I say stretchy dress was good to me. Y'all, when I took this out the package, and you know how you take stuff out the package, and I said, oh, we got sequins that stretch? I was excited about this one. So y'all, in this one, it goes from a size extra large all the way up to a 5X plus, okay? 5X plus, and it comes in a number of colors. It comes in the black that you see me have on. It comes in gold, which I'm thinking about going back and ordering the gold. It comes in silver, red, and also white. So I'm glad that it comes in a number of different colors, but I'm definitely going back and thinking about ordering that gold just because I know that I'll be going to different little holiday shindigs and just to be able to switch it up. Now in this dress, y'all, I did go in and get a 3X in this particular dress. Y'all, this dress was super comfortable, no lie. Super comfortable. Love the fact that it is stretchy. You know how sometimes sequence falls off? I didn't have any problems with the sequence or anything like that falling off as I was trying it on, as I was dancing outside. That's one of the reasons that I go outside now and try to start, you know, doing my content just to because I be needing to test it out. I need to make sure that it's going to be all right, okay? But I definitely think that this black dress can not only take you through the holiday season, but you know, sometimes people have all black parties throughout the year. So I feel like this particular piece here, it can serve its purpose even outside of the holiday season. So I definitely think this is one that you all should pick up because it is multi-purpose. I know that I have a wedding that I'm going to in November, and I will be wearing this particular dress because their colors are black and white, and I was like, yes, I ain't got to search for nothing else. I was like, yes. So this dress here, y'all, I love the detailing on the sleeve, how it has just the open slit on the sleeve. I love that. I think that is actually super sexy, and of course it is still, you know, modest because it's actually long as well. So yeah, I really like this dress. This was actually my favorite one, and then the red one, and then of course the pantsuit was the last one out of the bunch because I feel like this black one, like I said, take you a number of places. And I just kept it simple, gold jewelry with this as well. And I want to plug this in real quick. In one of my other videos, I saw the comment. Somebody asked about the eyelashes that I wear. I'll have them linked down below for you. I go between two pairs, one that I get at my local beauty supplies, but I also have some that I actually order online from Amazon as well. It actually comes in a pack. So I will drop that down in the description box below. I wanted to answer that in that video. They was like, cousin, what eyelashes do you wear? So just so that you guys would have access to that one as far as the one that I order on Amazon. Cousins, I hope you have enjoyed, I would say, our pre-holiday look video because I really do want you all to be prepared when it comes to the holidays because it'll sneak up on you and it will be here before you know it, okay? But yes, all of these look, y'all, I have them linked down below as far as the size that I'm wearing. Of course, you guys know I wear the same pair of shoes. Oh, and I did forget to tell you all the gold purse that I was wearing with this dress. It also came from Amazon. I have that link down below for you as well. It is a smaller gold clutch, but your cell phone definitely can fit inside of that purse. I did want to let y'all know that too. Your cell phone, your keys, probably some lipsticks. That's, you know, good enough for when you're going out to a holiday party, cousins. But cousins, please make sure that you all are following me on Instagram at Style with Shauna T, also on TikTok at Style with Shauna T. And then, as I always tell y'all, make sure that you walk in every room boldly and confidently, and make sure that you do what? Make sure that you own it, cousin. All right, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.